Damn. Love and lust. Damn. All of us.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one to outrun me. So give me a run for my money.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids with concealer, or put the concealer on my eyelids and then blend it out using a beauty blender.
Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole one, don't got you, I got nothing.
So I put some more concealer on because I felt like the concealer I had on before was a bit too light, and I'm just going to blend that in with the beauty blender.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me just like
Now I'm going to set my eyelids with Sacha Buttercup setting powder to create a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with like a peach shade and a pink shade from the 35B palette, and I'm just going to put that all over my crease. Now I'm going in with the red shade in that palette, and I'm just going to put that in my crease as well.
I don't want pressure you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Show you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That had a do for your nanny. Curving your hip from your mammy. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera.
Now I'm going in with a brush that has no product on it, even though it's colored or stained, and I'm just going to blend that out. And then I'm going to go in with the 35P palette and go in with that cranberry shade and just put that in my crease and my inner and outer corners. I'm just going to keep building that up and blending it till I'm comfortable with how it looks. Now I'm putting some concealer on my lid to kind of like map out where I'm going to put the glitter. And I looked up so that I could see where the concealer would end up if I blinked, and then I blended that out with my finger. Now I'm going back in with that cranberry shade. I'm just going to blend out the edges of everything just to make sure everything looks seamless, really. And I'm going to go back in with the same red shade and a lighter shade, like a shimmery shade, and just put that everywhere where I'm going to put the glitter. Now I'm going back in with that cranberry shade and just kind of like blending everything together, and I'm going to prime my eyelids with some NYX glitter primer before putting on the NYX glitter. Going back in with that cranberry shade again. I'm just going to blend that out. I'm using some tape to kind of like map out where I want to put my liquid liner, because I haven't put liquid liner on in a while and I felt like I was going to mess it up, so. Anyway, now I'm going in with the Master Ink eyeliner from Maybelline, and I'm just going to give myself a wing. Now I'm going to go back in with some concealer and just clean up the edges of the liner and the look in general.
Damn. Love and lust. Damn. All of us.
Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one to outrun me.
Okay, going back in with the red and pink shade from the 35B palette, I'm just going to put that all over my lower lash line.
Living lovely. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still?
kind of like blend it out with a brush that has, you know, product on it. Now I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to highlight my face with the Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. So I'm going to line my lips with Chestnut.
I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Poppin' your gum on the way, and mine away. I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way.
Now I'm going in with Morning Coffee, and I'm just gonna blend that in and put that all over my lips.
Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me.
Before going in with Beeper by Colourpop, I'm just gonna put that all over it and then blend that in with the Chestnut pencil. Now I'm going in with the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Weho, and I'm going to put that all over my lips. And now I'm going in with a lip brush to blend everything together, and I'm going to use a darker pencil because I was uncomfortable with the way the brown looked, and I'm going to blend that out again. And now we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. You know, if you did, give me a thumbs up. Please remember to comment and subscribe as well, and you know, share this video with your friends, family, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.